Alright, good morning everyone. Let's start by going through your homework. So let's take a look at the first one. It says that bag A has three chips, bag B has three chips. So a chip is drawn randomly from each bag. So each bag here means that there are two stages. That means you actually draw the chips two times, right? So what you will do is you will start from the first stage, which I can call this the first bag, and there are three chips altogether. So let's try to spread out. So I can draw somewhat like that. Okay. So make sure everyone is in the same column, like straight. And because there's only three chips, so the chances of drawing one, two, or three is all one third, right? Now the second stage, it says bag B. Bag B also has three chips, so it looks somewhat like that. Uh, and inside bag B, in the second bag, I have three chips as well, numbered 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, and 5. So the probability is also the same, one third for all the branches, right? Because there's only three chips in the second bag. So let's look at the outcome. So let's give one example. Say for example, I have this and this, right? So what it means is I will draw number one in the first bag and number two, three in the second bag. So what's the probability of drawing this combination? So because it's in an outcome, we will need to multiply them together. So we say we take one third multiply by one third, and this is 1 over 9. Okay, and so this is clear. So now let's look at the question. The question says I want the sum of two chips. So let us do a simple addition for all the sum outcome. So the sum outcome for the first one will be 1 plus 2. So this is 3. The second one is 4. The third one is 6, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8. Alright, so these are all the outcomes. So because all the probability are the same. So for example, probability of say for example, probability of 2 and 5 is the same as well. Let's see, probability on 2 and 5, because all the branches are one third. So every outcome actually is just 1 over 9. Okay, so let's take a look at the first question. So probability of the sum is equals to 5. So we have probability of sum is equals to 5. I will have probability of 2 and 3. So this is 1 over 9. Now probability of even. So let's use a color to help us. Probability of even is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So it will be 5 multiplied by 1 over 9. So this is 5 over 9. Probability of odd will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one will be 4 multiplied by 1 over 9. 4 over 9. Okay? Right. There will be a part 2 of this video. But after watching the part 2 of the video, I want you to do this as homework and complete by tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss some of the questions that are not sure. So by 28th of Jan.